Welcome to Ulosca channel. Access all WGU practice questions. Ulosca Introduction to Biology C190 quiz.
Question 1. Which of the following is considered the basic unit of life? A. Atom. B. Cell. C. Organ. D. Tissue. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Cell. Explanation. Cells are the smallest units that can carry out all life processes. Atoms and molecules are smaller, but are not alive. Organs and tissues are made of cells. Question 2. Which macromolecule is primarily responsible for storing genetic information? A. Protein. B. Lipid. C. DNA. D. Carbohydrate. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. DNA. Explanation. DNA holds the instructions for building proteins and guiding cell activities. Proteins perform functions, lipids store energy, and carbohydrates provide quick energy. Question 3. The process by which plants convert sunlight into chemical energy is called A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Fermentation. D. Digestion. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Photosynthesis. Explanation. Photosynthesis is how plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce glucose and oxygen, storing solar energy in chemical bonds. Question 4. Which of the following is not a characteristic of living organisms? A. Response to stimuli. B. Ability to reproduce. C. Maintenance of homeostasis. D. Ability to rust. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Ability to rust. Explanation. Rusting is a chemical reaction that occurs in metals, not a biological life process, so it is not a characteristic of living things. Question 5. The smallest structural and functional unit of the nervous system is the A. Neuron. B. Axon. C. Brain. D. Spinal cord. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Neuron. Explanation. Neurons are specialized cells that transmit electrical and chemical signals in the nervous system. Axons are just parts of neurons. Question 6. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of a cell? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondrion. C. Nucleus. D. Golgi apparatus. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Mitochondrion. Explanation. Mitochondria generate ADP, the cell's main energy currency, through cellular respiration, earning them the powerhouse nickname. Question 7. Which type of bond involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms? A. Ionic bond. B. Covalent bond. C. Hydrogen bond. D. Metallic bond. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Covalent bond. Explanation. Covalent bonds are formed when atoms share electrons, creating strong and stable molecular structures. Question 8. In biology, the term homeostasis refers to A. A change in an organism's DNA. B. The maintenance of a stable internal environment. C. The breakdown of complex molecules. D. The process of cell division. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. The maintenance of a stable internal environment. Explanation. Homeostasis keeps conditions such as temperature, pH, and water balance within narrow limits for proper cell function. Question 9. Which part of the cell is responsible for protein synthesis? A. Lysosome. B. Ribosome. C. Chloroplast. D. Vacuole. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Ribosome. Explanation. Ribosomes read RNA instructions to assemble amino acids into proteins. They can be free in the cytoplasm or attached to the rough ER. Question 10. Which of the following best describes evolution? A. The sudden creation of new species. B. The change in species over time through adaptation. C. The migration of organisms between habitats. D. The process of cell specialization. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. The change in species over time through adaptation. Explanation. Evolution is the gradual change of populations over generations due to natural selection, mutation, and other mechanisms.
Thank you for watching. For more practice exam questions, subscribe to our website at www.ulosca.com.